Okay, everyone, I am sick and tired of people thinking that it's okay to mess with fire alarms in a public building when it's not. It is absolutely not okay to mess with fire alarms in a public building because fire alarms are not toys. They are life safety devices that alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate the building immediately and also save buildings from being burnt to the ground because they notify the fire department to come and put the fire out. So not only does this save people's lives, but this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground. So never ever mess with this. I am sick and tired of people thinking that it's funny to pull fire alarms and to tamper with them. I am sick and tired of that. Those people should be locked up in jail because they are risking people's safety. Remember, fire alarms are very important devices that you need, so never ever mess with them in a public building. Now, if you have your own fire alarms in your own house, then it is okay to mess with them. But not in a public building. Bye.